fat bum. You already know what it is. I ain't gonna say it. Here it goes, He wasn't ready.
Welcome to the kingdom of Fatty Crunch Boy. An auditorium sold on the mind and the soul, one which has never been discovered before. Art thou ready? You are not. Prepare your soul.
Simply hang up when done, or for delivery options, press the pound sign.
Yeah, it's a ringtone. Get in your earphones. Kill a motherfucker just to eat his fucking rib bones. This shit tastes good. So good. You eat rib bones, I bone you. Left testicle is mine, I'm on that fucking grind. So step out and see you're too fucking blind. Wine and dine, circumcised, yeah you know me. I'm behind your mother. Now we're taking over the flat reverse. Fatty Crunch Boy, I love you to piss. Fatty Crunch Boy, gonna eat you for lunch. Fatty Crunch Boy got big, huge nuts. Yeah, I forgot there was another part of the song. Yeah, your mom's got a big thong. No, I've been smoking that chrysanthemum, eating them products like chrysanthemum, smoking that weed like chrysanthemum, doing your mom like chrysanthemums, making soup with chrysanthemums. Yeah, motherfucker, you didn't release an album this month. What are you doing, bitch? Fatty Crunch Boy, Fatty Crunch Boy. Fatty Crunch Boy gonna long be missed. Fatty Crunch Boy gonna have to jizz. Fatty Crunch Boy, my cock is long. Fatty Crunch Boy saw your mom in her thong. November. What did you do this November? Jack shit. I was out here. I was making it. Bitch. Bitch.
Welcome to Calvary Chapel. Our symbol is the bird. I'll flip you the bird. Hi, I'm Bob Caldwell. I'm Bob Caldwell. My hobbies are loving Jesus and not much more. I'm Bob Caldwell. Nothing suspicious about me. I assure you, nothing's happening behind the scenes. Yeah, I know everyone. I'm a pretty cool guy with my receding hairline. I'm Bob Caldwell. I want an assistant pastor. Hopefully she's female, no particular reason. I'm Bob Caldwell. Talk to me about your marriage. I heard you had a miscarriage. Feels bad, man. Maybe your wife needs a new man. I'm Bob Caldwell. Suck my dick. I'm the high priest. You ain't shit. Who are you? You're a Christian. Who am I? I am God. Who are you? You get taught by me. Who am I? I'm Bob Caldwell. I had sex with your wife. I'm causing lots of strife. Wait till they find out about the 20 more women that I fucked that are in marriages. I'm Bob Caldwell. Suck my dick. I got a big ego. Suck my penis. I'm Bob Caldwell. Now I'm somewhere else. Not in Boise no more. You call me a whore, but these new people don't know that I'm Bob Caldwell. And your wife has a baby that doesn't look like you and has a receding hairline and has a goatee just like me and wears little blue jeans just like me and has an open pull-up shirt just like me and wears denim all the time because I'm a white man. I'm Bob Caldwell.
Yo, my name is lecrae. I love to rap. I love to eat tacos. Yo, my name is lecrae. I love to rap. I love to eat tacos. Yo, my name is lecrae. I love. Yo, my name is lecrae. I love.
يا شيعة هاي الأعياد للكبار وللسجاد وللضحى شفينا وعين الليلة ميلاد حسين والضحى شفينا وعين الليلة ميلاد حسين والضحى شفينا وعين يا شيعة هاي الأعياد للكبار وللسجاد والضحى شفينا وعين.
Where do they even speak Arabic? Where am I right now? God, my penis is throbbing. I've had to take a piss for 2 hours and I haven't seen a good tree anywhere. Hello, traveler! Oh! Are you perhaps the fattiest crunch boy? Some may know me by that name. Yes, I guess you could say, but how would you know? I haven't released anything under this alias yet. Oh, well, of course I would recognize the legendary face structure of such a foundational human being. Foundational? Am I really that good? Oh, yes. We have written about you in our revision of the Quran. But I haven't released my mixtape yet. How do you know I'm Fatty Crunch Boy? How do you know I'm Fatty Crunch Boy? Wait! No, there's no reason for you to... First I had to piss. Now I have to shit on this guy.
The bread is faking and I don't got no time, son. You're making thousands, well I just made $1 million. It's November time to zo cause I'm #1. Where were you, son? I just made this album. Okay, we have to wait for the pause. Nonchalant is what I say when I come into the bakery today. Let me get 2 loaves and a bottle of crushed brioche. Hey, there'll be crackers, I like spending money. Hey, I got stacks upon stacks. Hey brother, can I borrow your honey? I'll treat her real nice and we'll give her some Thai tea and a cup of warm rice. Then she'll suck on my teeth while I rub on her thigh. And I eat number 3. November. You all ready for this? Penis ice cream and bread, nothing better than this. Shit. Kind of the last track.
يا شيعة هاي الأعياد للكبار وللسجاد ونضحك شفينا وعين الليلة ميلاد حسين ونضحك شفينا وعين الليلة ميلاد حسين ونضحك شفينا وعين يا شيعة هاي الأعياد للكبار وللسجاد ونضحك شفينا وعين.
That's it. Okay. Took me 5 hours to bury that body, and my penis feels like it's about to explode. Oh, Jesus. Just hope nobody saw me. I'm just gonna take a piss, and it's all gonna be over. Oh, yeah. Oh, what the hell's happening? Boo! Boo! We saw you, fatty crunch boy. You saw me do what? You saw me took a piss? Come on, it'll point me in the direction of an outhouse. No, no, boo! We saw you bury that man's body, that poor magician. What have you done? He had a wife and family. He didn't look like it. Well, he didn't, but presuming he did, then we're going to take you unto the realm of justice. To court you go. In court. Fatty Crunch Boy, at the judge of the jury and of myself, all the evidence, including the pee, urine, excrements, that we have collected, we have found you guilty. No, I didn't do it. Listen, okay? He was kind of, even if I did do it, he kind of asked for it, all right? But listen, I kind of really have to pee again, and I just got this throbbing in my penis. Whoa, Fatty Crunch Boy. This is not proper activity for the court. I just need to piss. Let me... Oh, my bald head! You're pissing on my bald head. The wrinkles on my skin. They're gone. Fatty Crunch Boy? Yeah? Is your excrement the fountain of youth? Whoa! Long live Fatty Crunch Boy! We must collect all of his excrements and distribute them to the populace of Arabia. Now everyone will live forever. Long live Fatty Crunch Boy! Oh God, what have I done?
للأكبر الأشعار نقراها يمه هذا الشبيه المغوار ميلاده رحمة كل همه صار الدين وروحه همه اليوم ما تخاف من تذكر اسمه اليوم ما تخاف جد النبي بأوصاف